I messed up. Let's watch the fireworks.
Look at that.
Cause baby, you're a firework.
You might see this upload.
I want to shout out to Gamer656, my friend, the Daily Mateo Perez, my cousin, and last but not least, my brother, actually, Elliot Silvera.
Yeah.
He's almost at 30 subs, right?
No, like at 14.
Oh, he's almost at 20 subs, so help him get to there. I think I'm at 10 subs.
Looking at each one.
They're so pretty. Happy 4th, viewers! Woo!
It cut off.
Oh god, they're there.
What's good?
That's my brother, his thing cut off. This is video part 2, Ellie, because I messed up. Okay, let's see if we can go through the gates.
Our leg can. You guys can.
You guys, run! Get through the gate, guys, run! I know you can do it. Whoa! All right. Woo! Cause baby, you're a firework. I'm gonna record, Ellie. It's recording. No, you can't see it. So let's watch fireworks. I can share this moment with you guys. All you guys that are not at Great America right now, I can share the moment with you guys. Isn't it pretty? Whoa, Poppy. I'm not even watching you by myself. I'm watching you with the camera, guys. For you guys. And so my brother, this is how he looks recently.
What's up?
And this is my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
This is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hola.
And we're watching the fireworks together.
It's a big firework.
I saw it. I think my viewers saw it. Pop, 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 pop. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Why is it the lights and then the thing? My arm's getting tired. I'm just gonna cut the video right here and just go to good parts.
I know that guy.
Woo!
Look it. I'm gonna try to.
It looks like an actual explosion. Woo!
When I turn there. No, when I turn to like right here, it cut off.
Woo!
And you know how to ride a skateboard like that?
No, yeah, but not that fast though. Pop, pop. Whoa, this is really good. Happy 4th, woo! This is beautiful. I'm going to Great America tomorrow.
We're far away.
I
haven't vlogged it.
Yeah, I might vlog it.
The higher it is.
I'm going to vlog the ride.
No, you can't vlog the ride.
My tablet is dying, so I might have to cut it. I might have to like end the video soon. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Woo! Don't these look pretty? Oh god, that one was bright.
That was big.
Dun 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 dun. Elliot's watching YouTube and it's loading.
Ellie.
Let's switch back to these. Woo!
Ellie.
Who cares about that guy? No. Oh no, where'd the fireworks go? Oh, there they are.
Somebody's gonna go to jail.
Over there, fireworks. Double fireworks today. Ellie. Wait. Ellie.
Stop viewing Elliot! This is actually really cool, guys. I don't know if Elliot, can they see the fireworks?
No, your giant moon face is blocking. Nope. Nope, not.
Alright, never mind. I can't do a selfie with it.
My YouTube channel.
Good job. My channel link.
My hand.
Okay, Elliot, put my channel link on the phone.
I don't know how to put it.
Put my channel on the phone.
Okay. Evan's channel.
That's your channel.
That bright light's messing it up.
Woo.
Even more videos.
Well, fireworks.
fireworks. Videos, fireworks.
Woo! This is a really cool experience I get to share with you guys. Pop. Boom! Kaboom! Kaboom! Nuke! Dumpster! Oh, so crazy. Look, there's a guy sitting on top of his car. The whole family, except Brendan.
Sup? You hear them from back there?
Yeah, I can hear them like they're like going off over here. Ow! Oh God, there's something on my foot. Hold on. Ow. Okay, hold on. Woo! These ones are big.
Better get the grand finale.
I want to see all the fireworks go off at the same time. This is so awesome! I'm gonna give you guys nausea. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No. This looks cool. This looks cool. Turn away.
Uploading. Uploading YouTube video.
Woo! Okay. Dang. You're gonna comment in the comments that you're annoying, Elliot.
I'm annoyed.
Make a video that says I'm annoying. You suck, Elliot. Whoa!
Damn, that scared me. Almost crippled myself.
Oh God, that.
Oh no, here comes a barrage.
All right, guys, you're not gonna want to miss this. Woo! Whoa! No! Whoa! Holy jeez! Stop you there.
I'm joking.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
You're dirty.
Woo!
Whoa, the finale.
No! The finale, boy! It's so exciting.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, look, red, white, and blue, and green. And look, there's a guy driving away from the fireworks.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Oh, there goes grand finale.
You missed a
Oh my, no. Oh my God,
Did
it's
you miss a
awesome.
finale? Check out Elliot's Romero. YouTube shit. Oh shit. Now that it's done, go.
This is awesome! Woo!
Now that it's done, check out my YouTube.
No, check out his face.
Hi.
All right, so that was pretty cool, guys. Please be sure to subscribe, comment, and
Happy 4th of July.
and like the video. And let's try to hit 6 likes. I know I'm gay, but we'll try. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.